Today's topic is about a very common and very useful electronic component, the LED or light emitting diode. While explaining this lesson, I will also continue practicing my English speaking skill. An LED is a special type of diode that produces light when electricity flows through it. The word LED stands for light emitting diode. Just like a normal diode, an LED allows current to flow in only one direction, but the unique thing is that it releases energy in the form of light. Inside an LED, there is a semiconductor material. When electrons move across the semiconductor's junction, they release energy. Instead of releasing heat, the energy is released as photons, which is light. This process is called electroluminescence. That's why LEDs are very efficient. LEDs come in many colors such as red, green, yellow, blue, and white. The color depends on the material used in the semiconductor. For example, early LEDs could only produce red or green light, but now modern LED can produce bright white light, which is used in home lighting and flashlight. One important thing to remember is that LEDs need a resistor. If you connect an LED directly to a battery without a resistor, too much current will flow and the LED will burn out. The resistor limits the current and protects the LED from damage. This is why in circuits like Arduino or breadboard projects, we always see a resistor connected to the LED. LED have two legs, the anode and the cathode. The anode is the longer leg and the positive side. The cathode is the shorter leg and is the negative side. If you connect them the wrong way, the LED will not light up because it blocks the current just like a normal diode. There are many types of LEDs. For example, indicator LEDs, which you see on chargers, TVs or laptops. There are high power LEDs used in car headlights and torch. There are RGB LEDs that can change color by mixing red, green and blue. There are also LED strips which are used for decoration, lighting and DIY projects. LED are popular because they use very little power. Compared to the traditional bulbs, LED are much more efficient and last much longer. This is why almost every modern device uses LED for display backlights, screen, buttons and even communication systems like RI LEDs in remote controls. LED also respond very quickly. They can turn on and off almost instantly. This makes them useful in high-speed communication brake lights and digital display. They are also used in 7-segment display, traffic light, and large advertising screen. Overall, LED are simple but extremely powerful components. They save energy, last long, and can be used in almost every electronic project. And while explaining this, I am also improving my English speaking step by step. Thank you.